the Under-19 Asia Cup, the ACC Men's Under-19 Asia Cup. And let's show you how the groupings are and the points table.
Tails.
Tail is the call.
Tails is the call. And it is a tail, which means, Koji, you've won the toss. Could you step forward, please, and tell us what would you like to do?
Yeah, we're going to take a bowl first.
You're going to bowl first.
This Japanese side, no, I think they also know, that the coaches also know they're up against it, but they're here for the experience. I think just this experience and this attraction of cricket getting in Japan is most important. And if
Singapore, and here's the first ball. And straight away, that's a good line to start with. Yamamoto leg on the money.
this is such a...
Oh, on the back pad. I think they think there is an inside edge. That's why the umpire hasn't given it. But that is a very good delivery.
Well, you could hear the two sounds. There you see big smiles already. The Japanese contingent is there. They've got the support of some of the family members, I think. It's a Japanese flag, and then how rare it is to see a Japanese flag being waved in a cricket ground.
That's true. That is true. That is unique. That is absolutely unique. Oh, what a shot that is. That is a beautiful shot. That is Ayush. He gets off the mark with a boundary. Brilliantly driven.
See, this is what I said. You miss your mark by a few inches, you're gone. If this was just slightly fuller and just in the arch of Ayush's bat.
What I really like to pick your mind on is, Atul, as you played here, I mean, it'd be really good to know from you, I mean, what lengths to bowl and how to bowl on the surface. We'll talk about it next over.
Was about to play against Tendulkar. Well, that's another good story, I'm going to say. Oh, misfielder. So he'll get this first boundary. So that extra delivery, the white ball has costed the team 5 runs.
13 without loss.
Last ball. See again, look at that punch. You can see that his approach is aggressive because of that high back lift. And the way it moves across, just that initial
strike. Oh, what a shot. What a shot. On the pads, flicks it quite easily. Couple of bouncers for 4. Right, we may be talking a lot about Vaibhav, but keep an eye on this young lad as well. He's a very fine player.
They only got 20 against Pakistan, but in that 20 there were 5 boundaries. So you can imagine that he is somebody who doesn't like to hang around. This was a free gift. And that's what I said. You were asking about how to bowl on the spin side. It's easy picking for the batsman.
Oh, that's 4. Went hard, slashed at it. And down to the boundary. Yes, that's right. His indication there was a bit of bounce. But what he did well was he really went hard.
Well, that's what I say. If you slash hard. Can't call it a chance because this was... the field was...
Kato Stafford. Down the ground. That becomes a very easy and a free hit. It was pitched up, mid-off, mid-on in the circle. And I'll tell you what, Ayush needed no second invitation for that.
Yeah, for him, I think anything pitched up in the right hill is a strong zone, hitting zone. And you can see that Kato is trying to swing the ball back in, but nothing much on offer. And he hasn't got the pace, actually. And this time, if he has to bowl and try that line.
Oh, of course, again. This is a little bit too easy for Ayush. He's got 2 boundaries, very similar strokes, similar lengths. Kato Stafford has looked to bowl full, and he's been taken apart by Ayush.
Weren't you surprised when they won the toss and led to bowl first?
I was very surprised. In fact, we all thought that Japan would want to bat.
Yeah.
But they went the other way, and India now enjoying themselves.
50 overs. Again, this is clean. This is over. So the first maximum of the morning from Ayush Mathur's bat. But this is an expensive over.
Well, he's looking to make batting look very, very easy. That shot was so easy. Look at how he executes it. Well, he did get 2 boundaries. almost in that similar area, and this one a little bit more, an extension. Went all the way for 6, beautifully timed. Again, that's 6 as well. That's even bigger. That's a lovely flourish and finish. 20 runs in that over. India 42 without loss. Well, this is what we did see in that last over from Ayush. Some lovely shots all down the ground. Pitched up between mid-off and mid-on. Well, he was shaping and then timed it well. Great timing. This will run away, I think. Yes, good effort, but just a teaser. It became and then just ran away to the boundary.
This is a good shot, this one. He's just checked drive and he's waited for the ball. It's a decent delivery also. Right in the slot, just outside the off stump. That's in the gallery. But look at the control. Just bringing the bat down from top to bottom, keeping everything in control. Good effort, but maximum.
Lovely punch. I did see. Big one. Where has that gone? It's gone long enough. It's 6. What a shot that is.
And I think the highest score so far in under 19 has been 363 for 7 wickets versus Qatar. Bangladesh got that score, but I think that is in danger today.
That is in serious danger today, considering looking at the rate these batters are going after. Look at that shot. Took it from outside the off stump. And it's gone the distance. It certainly defies a 13-year-old.
That was 34 years ago.
Boundary of the first ball. This is Suryavanshi just getting a delivery on the leg stump and easily putting it away. Yamamoto paying the price for erring in line and length.
From the off stump, outside the off stump, just flicked. So he is not looking around. He just wants to throw the bat and everything. And I think there's a bit of competition going on between.
Oh, huge again. Where has that gone? That's gone for 6 as well. Well, Ayush has been off strike for a while, and at the first delivery he faces, it's been dispatched over mid-wicket.
So that is third 6 of the innings already. And he's just batting for 20 deliveries. He's batting on 41. And 38 of those runs have come from 6s and boundaries.
And look where he hits that shot, and that tells you that he has...
Only time will tell the damage. Here we go. This time, Vaibhav Suryavanshi being taken. That's a good catch. Running to his left. Not easy. It was hit flat, hard, couldn't get the elevation. And Suryavanshi for a moment thought he had enough to take it over. Been taken at deep mid-wicket.
Well, he'll be very disappointed. But India have lost their first wicket, and Vaibhav Suryavanshi, who got a start today, had a strike rate of over 100. He departs. Now look at that. He's just picked the fielder in the deep. Just a couple of yards to his left. It's a good catch taken by Timothy. And it's a wicket for Charlie. And, well, he'll have to go back to the heart. Charlie Hines gets a wicket, and Vaibhav Suryavanshi is out for 23. India are now 6 moment, 15 in the previous today.
Such a good facility in NCA. That's a good shot with the turn, mid-off in the circle, safe shot, and brings up the 5th maximum in this innings.
That's a cracking shot. The 4th 6 off the blade of Ayush Mhatre, and take a look at how confidently he struck it. Takes that right foot, takes that left foot away from the line of the ball, and then he can really get the shoulders into the shot and goes inside out for 6 against services. Oh, this one's been played well. In the air, over the infield, and may just get to the fence. Yes, it does cross the boundary rope. That's gone for 4. It's 50 for Ayush Mhatre. What a fantastic knock. He's now moved up to 54 with that boundary. An important innings from this young lad.
Error becomes really minimum.
Oh, has that been taken? This time it has, and Ayush Mhatre departs. Making 54, the young opening batsman. Now finally will have to walk back to the hut. He got to his half century of just 27 balls. Now he's gone. He's heading back to the hut.
Yep. Second time the juggle that feel that extra cover. This time no luck for Ayush Mhatre. Was dropped a while ago. The skipper of Japan holds on to it. Magnificent knock by Ayush.
Mohammad Aman, one of the more, should I say, targets like pick up 10 wickets in the game today.